Okay, good evening to all. Dear students, hope enjoy last video. And today I discuss a process writing a chemical reaction. Last day I have also discussed chemical equation, chemical reaction, reactant, product, everything. So if any types of reaction, before reaction the substance or participate are called reactant and after that product. So if these types of elements or atom or molecules, when we represent with the help of sign or symbol, it is called chemical equation. So if any chemical equation represent a chemical reaction, if you recall formula of magnesium and oxygen, so after that it's make magnesium oxide. Just I share the screen also. Here Mg and Mg means magnesium and O2 means oxygen. When both are react, it's make MgO means magnesium oxide. So magnesium, the total numbers of electron is 12. So the electronic configuration is 282. And the oxygen, the total numbers of electron is 8. Electronic configuration 2 and 6. And last year also discuss to these types of things. When any elements in outermost presents 8 numbers of electron, it is satisfied. So here oxygen receive 2 numbers of electron and satisfied, and magnesium donate 2 numbers of electron and also it's satisfied. But this equation Mg plus O2 and MgO, Mg plus O2 and MgO, it is not satisfied or it is not a balance. So this equation is not a balance equation. Okay. So what is a balance equation? What is a balanced chemical equation? So dear students, if any types of equation before arrow, that means the reactant part, elements, molecules or compound, and after arrow, any types of molecules or compound, the number of atom or the number of molecules, when both are equal, it is called balance equation. Suppose just a equation like that, nitrogen and hydrogen when react to each other, after that reaction it make ammonia NH3. So the equation is N2 plus H2 arrow NH3. So before reaction nitrogen value is 2, hydrogen value also 2, and after reaction nitrogen value 1 and hydrogen value 3. So when we see the contain nitrogen and hydrogen before reaction and after reaction, the value are not equal. So when we balancing these types of equation, only change the number of molecules, not atom. Clear? It's the most important thing. When you balancing, if any types of chemical reaction, you cannot change the value of atom, only change the value of molecules. That means in front, if any types of symbol. So suppose N2 plus H2 equal NH3. This is unbalanced equation. When we balance, we change the value of only 3 in front of hydrogen in reactant part and only 2 in front of ammonia, that means product part. So now the new equation is N2 plus 3H2 arrow 2NH3. So this equation is balanced chemical equation. Okay, generally some types of process rules to balancing the system like that. Here just you see, to balance a chemical equation, first draw box around each formula. Do not change anything inside the box while balancing the equation. That means suppose the atomic number are present before, you cannot change the value. Number 2, list the number of atom of different element present in unbalanced equation. That means you just first calculate the numbers of atom which are present in unbalanced equation. Number 3, start balancing with the compound that contain the maximum number of atom. It may be reactant or product. In that compound, select the elements which has the maximum number of atom. Okay. Next thing, balance the unbalanced atom. So finally, to check the correctness of the balance equation, we count atom of each elements on both sides the equation. And next point, to make a chemical equation more informative, the physical state of the reactant and the product are maintained along with their chemical formula. The gases, liquid, aqueous and solid state of reactant and product are represented by a notation like that: G means gas, L means liquid, AQ means aqueous and S means solid respectively. So the word of aqueous is written if the reactant or product is present as a solution in water, like that. Just see this example. So here 2H2 plus O2 equal 2H2O. It's a balanced chemical equation. That means before reaction, hydrogen value 2 into 2 equal 4 and hydrogen only 2, and after reaction 2H2O means 2 to the 4 and O2. This is the balanced chemical equation when two molecules or water are formed. Okay, so dear student, it is a balanced chemical equation. Some rules also. Okay, thank you.